All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Sam. All right, so a few days ago, we did a video about Tron, how to make passive income with the Tron blockchain. And if you haven't watched the video, please make sure you watch the video and also drop a comment so we can get to know your view if we did the right thing or if there is any other thing we need to add. And we'll really much appreciate that. All right. So today, I want to talk about EOS, how to make passive income with EOS. So there are several ways to make passive income with EOS, but I'll just basically talk about two ways. Okay, these two ways actually covers almost all. So please make sure you watch this video that talks about passive income with the Tron blockchain. So now let's go to this website called eosdividends.com. Right, so this website lists different platforms, dApps on the EOS blockchain that gives you back some good returns. I've been using this dApp for a long time. And I think in one of my accounts, I had just about 8,000 dice, and I was getting about either 0.5 or 1 EOS every 48 hours. I'll have to confirm that. I'll have to confirm if that is accurate, right? But currently, BetDice has 86% of its tokens staked. But what I need to confirm is if this 86% um is a percentage of the circulating supply or the percentage of the total supply. That's what I need to confirm. So if you're watching this video and you have an answer to that, please drop it in the comments, and I would really appreciate that. All right, so these guys, they have 92%, 94%. This is currently not known. All right, so these are the dividends within 24 hours. This is 3%. This is the amount of EOS paid and the number of users. A lot of people are here, 1.5. I think BetDice was one of the first dApp on EOS that started this reward system. Right. So to get to know about how each of these dApps work and how to make money, and also Kama, yeah, I use Kama every day. So Kama is actually not a game; it's a social network. It has over 1,400 users. It's actually a social network, more like Steemit, but it's like the Instagram version of um, it's like Instagram on the EOS blockchain. Right, so Kama rewards you for doing good. So in order to make good money on Kama, you need to stake your Kama and use it to upvote or like posts, and then it generates more Kama for you. So you want to know about each of these platforms. All you just need to do is click each of the names, anyone you want to research. And then when it opens, you'll search for something like reward or wallet or something. So this is Dice. I've used Dice several times. These are the different games you can play on Dice. They have a lottery. Yep, they have a lottery, and also they have a lucky draw where you don't have to pay any money to do the draw. But to get more extra lucky draws, you have to play more games with over one EOS. So they have once you come to the wallet, you can we can check that right now because we're supposed to connect to Scatter. I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can check out. Okay, we've done a video about Scatter before. I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can check out how to use Scatter, right? How to connect Scatter to Ethereum, EOS, and Tron blockchain. So you can actually make passive income on this platform just by getting the tokens and staking the tokens. Right, so what this means is that if you have your DICE token staked, you can get rewarded in any of these tokens. No, not any. You get rewarded in all these tokens that are being traded on the platform, that are being used on the platform. Right, so the next way you can make passive income on this platform is through what we call Chintai. I don't know if I pronounced that right. So Chintai is a platform. EOS functions differently, and for you to build a dApp on the EOS blockchain, you will need to stake EOS tokens. Now let's assume you needed about 10,000 EOS to build a dApp or to deploy a smart contract, and you currently can afford 10,000 EOS. So what Chintai does is it helps you borrow 10,000 EOS, right? You can get 10,000 EOS, right, at a very small fee. So these are the different rates. You just come and check, okay, who wants to sell 10,000 EOS? Not sell this time, who wants to give out 10,000 EOS? So you can actually rent the 10,000 EOS for um, specify these are the different days. You can lease for 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, and 28 days, right? So instead of spending your own money to buy 10,000 EOS, which might be expensive for you. Now, I'm not saying it's you need 10,000 EOS to deploy a smart contract. It could be 1,000 EOS, it could be 100 EOS, it could be 10 EOS. So you can actually rent it. You can actually um, borrow that amount of EOS. So how do you make money with this? You make money from this other end, right? So you give out your 10,000 EOS to whoever wants to use it, and then you can start making passive income. So these are the different interest rates on different amounts, right? So that's one way to make passive income with Chintai. Now, one of the downsides of Chintai is that you have to transfer your EOS to the smart contract to Chintai for this purpose. But there's something else called Rex. So Rex rewards you for holding your EOS or staking your EOS. So it's actually called resource exchange for token holders. So the summary of this is that whatever activity, maybe rental activity, any kind of payments that is done on the EOS blockchain, as long as you have your EOS staked, you can be making passive income whether you're doing anything or not, right? So maybe if someone should buy a name, most of the activities are maybe RAM fee, right? You can make money once someone buys RAM, the fee will be spread across all token holders. All right, guys. So that's all we have for you today. Now, if you haven't checked out our video on how to make passive income with Tron, please check it out. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So see you some other time. Thank you.